Hey, Flux here, and today I'll be talking about Rebocap. Now, right now, I'm slightly miscalibrated, so let's get right into calibrating this properly. And now that we're calibrated, we move a lot nicer. One thing to keep in mind is that these are IMU and magnetometer-based trackers, which means, well, they will drift over time heavily, especially if you're doing a lot of different rotational movements like laying down, getting up, laying down, getting up. If you repeatedly do that, you can actually desync them very, very, very fast. But these are also just $200 versus, more expensive solutions. For those $200, you also get 15 trackers, so I don't think I can really complain about the awful, like absolutely awful drift, because they are a cheap tracking solution. If you need actually like one-to-one tracking, I'd much more suggest something like Flux Pose, which won't have any drift issues, and generally is just a much nicer solution for actual proper tracking. Now, one of the things also to keep in mind with these Rebocap trackers is that it's not just plug and play. You can't just plug in the dongle and expect tracking to function. What you actually have to do is you have to hand calibrate every single one of the trackers, but you can calibrate 8 of their magnetometers at the same time using the included charge dock. Each of the trackers is assigned to a certain body part, and that's that. You have to use them on that body part. If you try to use them differently and hit calibrate, it's not going to reassign them. It's just going to tell you, hey, unless you have 4 leg nodes, I'm not even going to calibrate. They're cheap. They work. If you don't need something that like tracks you properly one-to-one, they're decent. For VTubing, definitely, I'd say it's a positive because, you just need to sit there in the same position for the most part. And worst case scenario, you just fix the yaw so that it's looking in the correct direction again. I think they're okay. See ya.